Ladies and gentlemen, the video guide is about getting rid of Instprize.xyz. Instprize.xyz. The pop-up is also known under the name of prize email. It says that your email has been selected to participate in the prize promotion. And the pop-up promises that you can win some great prizes like MacBook Air, iPhone 11 or iPad Pro, and the top prize BMW X6 car. Now, unfortunately, all these pop-ups are absolutely deceptive, and their mission is to collect your personal details, including your name, your surname, your email address, and possibly even the telephone number. Therefore, stay away from interacting with all these pop-ups. If you see such alerts permanently in your screen, it could be that your Mac has got some adware in it. So first of all, carefully examine your current available Mac applications. If you find something suspicious, go ahead and move it to the trash. Now, you might need to provide your password to get rid of some programs to the trash, which is quite logical. But be careful to examine all your available Mac applications. If you locate something that is suspicious here, get rid of it. Also, I would strongly advise that you double check the safety of your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com, so download the software, then install the application and wait until the antivirus database is updated and click on Start Combo Scan to initiate the detailed research of your Mac computer. So this is the end of scanning of our Mac computer by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs scanning and analysis of your Mac computer. You may click on the antivirus area and then click on the link Review Results to see the exact threats and their exact location. And then you may click on this special icon that says Show in Finder. This will show you the location of each specific threads in Finder, and you may move this thread manually to the trash. What's good about Combo Cleaner, even the trial mode of it, is that it gives you the exact location and helps you remove each thread one at a time. Or, of course, you may get rid of all threads altogether automatically, but with the premium version only.